Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue where your graphics card does not support DirectX 11 features. So DirectX is a set of applications programming interfaces created by Microsoft for handling multimedia tasks such as rendering 3D graphics and playing audio, an essential part of the Windows operating system. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So before to proceed, we need to check first the DD versions of graphics card. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na DX, DIAG. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung run command na DX, DIAG, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung DirectX Diagnostic Tool. And the next step, so look for features, labels, and DDI versions. So dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung system and display, sound, and then yung input. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, nandito yung device at dito lang sa right side, ito yung drivers. Okay? So kailangan nating i-check dito yung feature labels. So if the DDI versions or feature labels line does not display a value number 11 or higher than, then your graphics card does not support DirectX and you will have to upgrade your hardware if you want to play. So dito lang sa feature labels, kapag nakita mo dito na wala yung 11 or higher than, so ibig sabihin ay hindi po siya support ng graphics card DirectX 11. So makikita nyo dito na 12 and 11 mga kaibigan. So ibig sabihin ay support siya ng DirectX 11 features. So dito sa kanyang driver model, so na meron ditong 3.1. Alright, so after natin dito na ma-check yung DirectX Diagnostic Tool, and ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reinstall the GPU drivers. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to right-click on a start menu. So, click mo lang yan. And kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung device manager. And once na-open mo na itong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito lang sa ating graphics ay kailangan natin itong i-uninstall. Alright? So, select and right-click ka lang. And then, select mo lang dito yung uninstall device. And then, after ka makapag-uninstall, and then kailangan ulit itong i-install. So, kailangan natin itong reinstall. Alright? So, after dito sa device manager, if the error still persists, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to add graphics tool feature. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa apps and dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung optional features. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa optional features, makikita mo dito yung add an optional features. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung view features. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa add an optional features, and then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung graphics tool. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then i-locate mo lang dito yung graphics tools at kailangan natin itong i-install. Alright, so dito sa right side, i-click mo lang yung box na yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And i-click mo lang dito yung install. So, click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung installing ng graphics tool. And then, completely installed na yung graphics tool. Okay, so makikita nyo na dito, install na siya. Alright, so after dito and then close lang natin tong settings. At dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. O, i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix your graphics card does not support DirectX 11 features error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.